Today in front of me I have the Nubia Flip 5G, and in this video I will unbox this little foldable phone and we'll together see what accessories and items it comes with. So without any further shenanigans, let's jump right into it. So the box itself is protected by a plastic film that we will need to peel off. Let's look around and see whether it has some tongs or ears I can peel it off with. As far as I can see, it does not. Maybe you can use your fingernails to do that, but I recommend that you go with a knife or like this pocket knife. I guess this will be the easiest way to take off this plastic film. Just be careful not to damage the box, or if you want to, you can obviously damage it, but that's not something I am looking to do. So I will try to be as careful as possible. Yep, so here we go. Now I should be able to easily peel it off. Nice. So let's go ahead and open the box itself. The top cover slides open, so be careful. Make sure that the box is not in the air, or do not hold it somewhere. Just make sure that it lays flat on the surface, on your table, or whatever is the surface you are unboxing this phone on. So it's pretty stiff. It's a tight fit, not gonna lie. So it's kinda difficult to take it off. Like, it does not slide right off for some reason. Once again, I guess that's just because the fit of this box is pretty stiff. Anyway, let's see what we are working with. So here we have the star of the evening, the Nubia Flip 5G. So before I actually show you the phone itself, let's quickly check what items and accessories we get alongside the device. So let's take this phone compartment out. So here is the first box, mystery box, I guess, which is, or should I rather say, which contains the charging brick. Whoa, that's nice. Actually, not too often you get the charging adapter in modern smartphones alongside the device itself, so that's a nice touch. So here you have the charging brick, which is the let me check. So its output provides you with either 5 volts 3 amperes or 15 volts 2.2 amperes. So you can check the charging or the electrical specifications yourself. Does it say how many watts it charges with? Yep, so it can either charge with 27 watts as far as I can see, and 33, but I may be wrong, so don't quote me on that. Anyway, let's see what other boxes have in store for us. Obviously one of them should have the charging wire as well, so let's go ahead and quickly take the box, or open another box that we have here. So this one contains the, yep, so it actually comes with a Type-C to Type-C charging wire. Nice. And it also does include earphones. So Type-C earphones that look like, well, earpods pretty much, as you can tell. It's pretty they look almost identical, but I mean, just getting the included headphones or earpods is a pretty nice touch, especially considering that you get both charging adapter and the headphones. So I am a big fan of those accessories. And the last third box that is going to contain paperwork and also included phone protection, or the phone case, which is also a pretty damn nice touch. So kudos to Nubia or ZTE for making this packaging so beefy and so well, rich with accessories and additional items. You also get the SIM injection tool and a bunch of paperwork, which is boring, so we'll skip that. So let me package everything back, or rather put everything back. It's not that I'm packaging it really. And now we can look at the phone itself. So let's peel off this protective film. I'll try to do that as careful as I can, not tearing it apart or anything, just unsticking the glue here and carefully removing the protection, just like that. So here is the foldable itself. As you can see, it indeed folds, or flips rather. The hinge feels pretty snappy. Well, the angle is also kinda straight, so it's good. If you wonder whether the like crest, how this thing is called here, is visible, it is obviously, but I will be better able to tell you if I power it on. So let me quickly do that. And while the device is switching itself on, let's also mount the protective case here. The mounting process should be very easy and straightforward. You just fold your device, then, well, let's start with this one perhaps, and you just snap it into place. Yep, this one is mounted, and that one, yep, is mounted as well, I guess. Yep, everything works, as you can tell. So that's what it looks like when you open and close the device. And while the flip line is indeed visible. Anyway, as far as the unboxing goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions regarding the unboxing of the device, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.